Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Laboratory World. In this video I am share continuous MCQs in biochemistry. Okay, let's start. First one, 25 microliter is equivalent to option A 2.5 ml, option B 0.25 ml, option C 0.025 ml, option D 0.0025 ml. Correct answer 25 microliter is equivalent to option C 0.025 ml. Next one. Name the test used to detect urobilinogen in urine. Name the test used to detect urobilinogen in urine. Option A Fauci's test. Option B Ehrlich's test. Option C Rothera's test. Option D Hayes test. Correct answer option B Ehrlich's test is used to detect urobilinogen. Fauci's test for bile pigment, Rothera's test for ketone bodies, Hayes test for bile salt. Okay. Next one. Conversion of glycogen to glucose. Glycogen to glucose. Option A glycogenolysis. Option B gluconeogenesis. Option C glycogenesis. Option D glycolysis. Correct answer option A glycogenolysis. Conversion of glycogen to glucose. Glycogen lysis. Glycogenolysis. Okay, next one. In GTT, maximum blood glucose level is reached at. In glucose tolerance test, maximum blood glucose level is reached at option A 2 hour, option B 2.5 hour, option C 1 hour, option D 1.5 hour. Correct answer option C 1 hour. Next one. Select one which is not a liver function test. Select one which is not a liver function test. Option A bilirubin, option B creatinine, option C SGPT, option D alkaline phosphatase. Correct answer option B creatinine. Okay, it's a kidney function test. Next one. All of them are the factors which affect the enzyme estimation except. All of them are the factors which affect the enzyme estimation except option A temperature, option B pH, option C substrate concentration, option D ionic strength, option E none of the above. Correct answer option E none of the above. Is all are affect the enzyme estimation. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is not a volumetric glassware? Which of the following is not a volumetric glassware? Option A graduated pipette, option B beaker, option C standard flask, option D measuring cylinder. Correct answer option B beaker. It's not a volumetric glassware. Next one. Select one which is not a mineral. Select one which is not a mineral. Option A calcium, option B potassium, option C creatine, option D sodium. Correct answer option C creatine. Next one. The glycosaminoglycan that serve as an anticoagulant. The glycosaminoglycan that serve as an anticoagulant. Option A heparin, option B hyaluronic acid, option C chondroitin sulfate, option D dermatin sulfate. Correct answer option A, heparin. Next one. The following polysaccharide is composed of beta-glycosidic bonds. The following polysaccharide is composed of beta-glycosidic bond. Option A, starch. Option B, glycogen. Option C, dextrin. Option D, cellulose. Correct answer option D, cellulose, which contain beta-glycosidic bond. Okay, next question. The carbon atoms involved in the ozone formation. The carbon atoms involved in the ozone formation. Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 2 and 3. Option C, 3 and 4. Option D, 5 and 6. Correct answer option A, 1 and 2. Next one. The nitrogenous base present in lecithin is. The nitrogenous base present in lecithin is option A, choline. Option B, ethanolamine. Option C, inositol. Option D, serine. Correct answer option A, choline. Next one. Esterification of cholesterol occurs at a carbon position. Esterification of cholesterol occurs at a carbon position. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Correct answer option C, 3. Next one. The amino acid found in protein structure. The amino acid found in protein structure. Option A, arginine. Option B, proline. Option C, histidine. Option D, lysine. Correct answer option B, proline. It's the only one amino acid, proline. Next one. The reaction given by two or more peptide linkage is. The reaction given by two or more peptide linkage is option A, Biuret test. Option B, Ninhydrin test. Option C, xanthoprotein reaction. Option D, Polis test. Correct answer option A, Biuret test. In Biuret test given by two or more peptide linkage. Okay. The next one. The nitrogenous base not present in DNA structure. The nitrogenous base not present in a DNA structure is option A, arginine. Option B, guanine. Option C, cytosine. Option D, uracil. It's the correct answer option D, uracil, which is seen in RNA. Next one. The following coenzyme is a nucleotide. Option A, FAD. Option B, NAD+. Option C, COASH. Option D, all of them. Correct answer option D, all of them are coenzymes as a nucleotide. All of them are nucleotide. Okay. Next one. Which one of the vitamin A function as a steroid hormone? Which one of the vitamin A function as a steroid hormone? Option A, retinol. Option B, retinol. Option C, retinoic acid. Option D, beta carotene. Correct answer option B, retinol. Next one. The functionally active form of vitamin D is option A, cholecalciferol, option B ergocalciferol, option D dihydrocholesterol, option C calcitriol. Correct answer option D calcitriol. Active form of vitamin D is calcitriol. Okay, next one. Folic acid antagonist used in treatment of cancer. Folic acid antagonist used in treatment of cancer. Option A methotrexate, option B trimethoprim, option C sulfonamide, option D all the above. Correct answer option A methotrexate. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.